What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Apple Watch 7.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So this is the Apple 7 watch. This is the 45mm variant. There's also a 41mm variant, but the box is really clean. It's just all white. So if you look at the top, you'll see this is actually perforated or cut out, and underneath you're seeing the actual white box. So it's white on white. But on the front, you got nothing. On the right side, you got nothing. On the left side, you got nothing. So we're gonna open the box, and we'll take a look at what's inside of the box. We'll take this off. So the first thing that's really cool is the inside. You got the little different colors, different bands, and showing all the types of different Apple Watches and different varieties that you can get. So the boxes here, you're getting a box that has the watch in it, and then a band box. So let's kind of look inside and see what's inside here. I'll take this off camera a little bit because there is some sensitive information on the bottom. I opened up both of the boxes, and then you see here, you take the top off, there's nothing there, and you're getting a couple things in here. So the first thing it looks like is a set of books. And we're not going to go through that. Yeah, there's all books in there and stuff about the Apple Watch. We're not going to read that. Getting a cord, it looks like, and then you're getting the actual watch. So the cord, let's see if we can figure out how to open this. It's got to be a cool way to open it, right? Or we'll just pull it out. How about that? Nope. All right, there we go. All right, so it's a mag charger, right? That's what all the watches typically come with. And it's a USB type C, which I really like because this is the future. Apple, get on board, please, making all of your, watches and phones and tablets, make it all USB type C, please. And then here's the actual watch. Let's see, how do we open this? Maybe it just slides out. Yeah, there you go, through the side. So there's the actual watch. And then here, I've opened it up this here. Nothing there. Apple Watch. All types of information here. Let's throw that to the side. You're getting two different bands here. It looks like a couple of different sizes. Let's see if we can figure out how to put this on, actually. I know it's a slidey thingy, but I don't know which one goes where. Right, maybe there, and maybe there. No, let's go the other way. There you go, we'll take that off. Watch closes like this. But there you go. That is an Apple Watch 45mm variant. Got an extra band here in case you don't like that and you actually have a smaller wrist. You see how it's a different size. But we'll let this start up, and we'll see what this Apple 7 watch is all about. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. And now I'm on TikTok. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.